In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a website as an app in Chrome, step by step, so you can launch your favorite site just like a regular desktop app. This is a super simple trick that works great for tools, dashboards, web apps, and websites you use all the time. If you want faster access, a cleaner window, and an app-like experience without installing heavy software, this is exactly what you need. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're signed in if needed and ready to visit the website you want to install. Next, open the website you want to turn into an app. This can be almost any website that works well in a browser, like a productivity tool, a school portal, a project dashboard, or even a streaming or note-taking site. Go ahead and load the page fully so Chrome can recognize it properly. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu, and it contains a lot of browser settings and shortcuts. After clicking it, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. This submenu is where Chrome keeps several useful options for saving or opening websites in different ways. From that submenu, click Install Pages App. Chrome will then prepare the website to be installed as a standalone app on your computer. Depending on the site, you may see a small installation window or prompt appear next. If you want to change the name of the app, this is the time to do it. Chrome usually gives you a name field before installation, so you can rename it to something shorter, cleaner, or easier to recognize on your desktop or in your app list. For example, you might remove extra words and keep only the main website name. Once the name looks good, click Install. Chrome will create the app version of that website and open it in its own window. It will feel much more like a real app than a regular browser tab, and it may even show up in your app launcher, desktop, or taskbar depending on your system settings. But for now, you've successfully installed a website as an app in Chrome. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more short, useful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.